Here we have a pre-owned 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This one comes in the RST trim level, has a double cab configuration, so that extended cab setup. Cajun red tint coat is the paint, and then we have jet black cloth interior. The powertrain consists of a 5.3 liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, and that's made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. This one has a little over 61,000 miles on it. As we come to the front end here, we do get our LED headlamps along with our LED daytime running lights and our LED fog lights. And just a nice front facial look here since they redesigned this truck in 2019. And it seems to be in really good shape, honestly. Down here, these are going to be 18-inch aluminum wheels. Aftermarket running boards, tasteful, I think. Passive keyless entry on all 4 doors. And then power door lock controls are here. We have our power mirror controls, rear window lock. And then we have one touch up and down for the driver's side window, express down for the other 3 windows. Bottle holders are there. This one has an optional Bose sound system. And then over here we have full 4-wheel drive controls, fog lamps, headlamp controls, electronic parking brake, hood release, manual tilt telescoping steering wheel. We also have the optional all-weather floor mats there. But here's the power driver's seat with 2-way power lumbar support. And I want to give a huge thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this truck today. I'll leave a link below in the description. But if you're looking to find the best price on one of these pre-owned closer to home, click on that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever pre-owned vehicle you might be interested in. But I have that seat up front adjusted for someone of my size, being 6'3" with longer legs. So it's not a full-size crew cab, but that's my space there. The seat back pockets are on both sides. Rear AC vents, you get a USB-C, USB-A input, and a 12-volt there. Bottle holders for the back. And then I like that we have the LED reading lights. I wasn't expecting that. And gotta love these. You can hang your whole uniform on this hook if you need to. Child locks are right here, lock, unlock. And if you want, you can pull this seat up, set it back down. Fuel filler. And there's the back end. So this one has a spray-on bed liner, and then we also have a bed mat, it looks like here, for that added protection. But you do get a 120-volt 3-prong household plug-in in the back on this one. So a pretty spec'd out RST. Dual exhaust integrated in the bumper, the rear tires, or the spare tires underneath there. But to the front passenger seat, it's 4-way manual. And then we get these pockets on the side, which are really nice. Lockable glove compartment down here, and then a top cubby there. And the window sticker is right here. It doesn't have too much on it. This is one of the newest ones to hit the lot, so it didn't even have the options or anything like that. But there's the parts content if you're interested. Fuel economy numbers. But as we come back around to the front, we're just going to take a quick look in the engine bay. There's that 5.3 liter V8. Let's go ahead and hop in the driver's seat. So nice leather wrap steering wheel here. There's the horn. Over here to the radio, we get AM, FM, XM, Bluetooth audio, Wi-Fi hotspot. We also have the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility. Settings in here, you can change your language if you want to. Backup cameras here, guidelines follow you as you turn the steering wheel. Then you have a few other views as well. And then your climate controls are in here. You get dual zone automatic climate. You can control from the screen, or you have buttons and knobs down here below with your 3-stage heated seats. And volume knobs here, click that to mute the audio. Tune knob there. Little storage tray up there, just interesting. But downhill brake control, auto stop toggle, lift gate release, hazards, traction control, 3-prong household plug-in there, 12 volt, the USB ports, and then trailer brake controller there. I do think it's a big plus having a USB-C in a 2019 though. Bottle holders there, center console cubby space, pretty nice size. You have an SD card reader, USB-C, USB-A, and then an aux input there. And there's a look at the back seat. We do get a power sliding rear window. And a control for that is up here along with the garage door transmitter. Your lights are there, OnStar. And then your vanity mirrors here. I'm surprised there's no lights on this. Now for the shifter, it's over here on the column. Hit the brake, pull, reverse, neutral drive. You have that limiter there. And it'll show you what gear you're in that bottom left-hand side of the digital part of the gauge cluster there. And your windshield wiper controls are here, or your windshield wiper controls and your blinkers are here. So that's the blinkers, the wiper controls, and then the fluid here. And then high beams. But behind the steering wheel on the left side, we can toggle track list, radio station presets. And then behind on the right side, volume up, volume down there. Cruise control, cancel, set the speed, heated steering wheel toggle, mute, voice recognition, and then this scroll bar and these two arrows go through the gauge cluster. So this goes through the sub menus, and then within each sub menu you can scroll here and then kind of press the button to go into whatever you're trying to do. Push button start. Finally, here's the key fob with remote start. But next, let's go ahead and take this 2019 Silverado 1500 RST out on the road for a test drive. So starting the test drive in the Silverado here, love the power of this V8. And I like how the 8-speed shifts. You go into the 10-speed, it's just a little calmer. But this 8-speed just makes sense here. I feel like you can get the power and the fuel economy without having to go through those 2 extra gears. And pretty capable just driving normally. You don't even have to floor it to get up to speed. Gonna give myself just a little bit of space here. Here we go. So yeah, it's pretty quick. It took a minute for the transmission to realize what I was doing, but once it did, that's why I had a little bit of a burnout there. But the ride quality is fantastic. Of course, it's a double cab pickup truck, but still I'm surprised by how well it's riding, how smooth it's going down the interstate here. And it's very quiet in the cabin, very quiet. Now this one's only a 2019, but I'm still impressed by just the overall condition here. Just everything seems to be working properly. The alignment is right. It's driving like new. And it really doesn't feel like a used truck at all. Now here at Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro, they do offer the lifetime powertrain warranty on this, so that's even more confidence you have behind the engine and the transmission, just as long as you keep up with that scheduled maintenance from the manufacturer, you'll be covered there for however long you own the vehicle. Now, I do want to give one more thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this truck today. But if you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click on that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to do just that for you. But a solid truck, I think. Just first impressions here going around this test drive loop here. The acceleration's good. Just the overall ease of driving is good too, especially for this to be a full-size pickup. I think having the double cab configuration as opposed to the full-size crew cab makes it feel a bit more tolerable, even if it's close to the same size. But I'm just, again, really impressed by how this is driving. And it's just strong, but it's not too loud. And I kind of like the refinement of these engines in this body style. The 5.3 just is very calm, but still very quick. And if you want to upgrade the exhaust or something like that, you can. But the stock one gives you just enough grunt for everyday driving. So it's a nice sound, but it's not an overly loud sound, if that makes sense. But yeah, the ease of driving is fantastic. If there was a pickup truck I wanted, I feel like this would be the one that wasn't electric, just because it has all the tech you could want, has the fuel economy numbers in terms of having a full-size V8 with 4-wheel drive, and it's just nice in here. This is a very nice interior. I wouldn't necessarily say it competes with the 2019 Ram, but I feel like you can get these a little cheaper too, but it just depends. Especially with this one being kind of a mid-level trim as opposed to the top of the line Ram. So if you're in the market for something like this, definitely recommend you check out the 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500. And this one is an RST double cab.